In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a view in HubSpot. Now, to create a view, you first want to go and navigate to your desired object records. So I'm just going to go to contacts, but of course you can go to companies, deals, contacts, whatever. I'm going to go to contacts right now. And then from here, you'll see there's going to load in a bunch of different things. And there's going to be a button up top, this one, which is going to be called Add View. So you want to click on the plus button and then click on Create New View. Now, once you do this, you want to select if you want to do a table, board, report, or calendar. I'm actually going to make a table right now. And there we go. This is going to create your own view. So we can just name it whatever. I'm going to name this one tutorial view and press enter. And then here you can then go and do whatever you want. So we can go and apply different filters, set what type of view it is. You could go and edit different columns. You can go in sorting, see metrics, etc. Okay, so that's how to create a view. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.